as you saw, Diverted, it's a pretty big track. And just the amount of layers, the size of it, and on top of it, it's very dense. I work in this platform because so much of my audio editing, so much of my programming, so much of even my creativity to a certain degree is really inherently dependent on the way I can edit audio. And nothing has ever allowed me to edit audio the same way that Pro Tools does. And I'm personally on Pro Tools HD Native. I use interface-wise, I have a Pro Tools HD Omni as well as an HD I/O 16x16, and these are the brains of my studio. Everything I use gets routed through both the Omni and the HD I/O, and then it all ends up, of course, inside Pro Tools, where it just goes through a giant blender. And that is really, it's the centerpiece of my studio. It's how I work. I wouldn't be able to create the same way if I weren't using Pro Tools, and that's why I do.